As you know, when you pour water into a hot pan, it boils straight off. And the hotter it gets, the quicker it boils off. But when you go past a certain point, something strange happens. As you can see, there's some water that's not even close to boiling off, just bouncing around happily. It's actually so hot that the water did not make contact with the pan and vaporized instantly, leaving a cushion of steam so that it could just float around. That's what's known as the Leidenfrost Effect. It's the same reason people can safely dip their hand in liquid nitrogen for a split second. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more kitchen science type videos, let me know and I might make more.